Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1023 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the product that I chose for my November 2020 Ipsy Glam bag, and this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I'm really excited to be able to get a Bobbi Brown product in Ipsy, although this is a tiny sample size. I really have not tried out that many products from Bobbi Brown. But gosh, when I was really young, I remember reading a book by Bobbi Brown about makeup, and just even way back then, I was interested in makeup. But I remember I had a Bobbi Brown perfume that I was obsessed with. It was Beach by Bobbi Brown, if you know it. It smells seriously like sunscreen and the beach. It's such a nice perfume. I think I actually won it from 17 magazine. I used to be obsessed with entering those giveaway contests. But so anyways, Bobbi Brown Cosmetics is kind of like nostalgic for me. But so this is a sample size of the full size product, which is $60. So it's an expensive brand in my opinion. But this sounds so awesome because it's supposed to be super hydrating. It has shea butter and vitamins B, C, and E. So it's supposed to hydrate and protect the skin from environmental aggressors like pollution and blue light. And especially as the weather's been getting cold, my skin has been getting dry. So I think it's important that I use hydrating primers this time of year. The texture here seems like a nice thick cream. And it definitely does have like a fragrance, I think, to it. Smells nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to half of my face. It applies just like a face cream, which you could use this as a face cream as well. So I think before makeup, having this be a 2-in-1 kind of moisturizer and primer would be a good way to save time and even save money, since it is such a high price point. You can at least get it 2-in-1. I kind of feel like as I'm applying it, it kind of smells like a creamsicle or like a lemony, citrusy, yet sweet scent. It's really nice. Okay, I have it applied to half of my face, and you can visibly see just the hydration, a little bit more glow and radiance to my skin. It feels super nice. It has a tiny bit of tackiness, which I think is great for primer, but it feels definitely hydrated. I feel like it's kind of like plumped with hydration. So a really nice feel on the skin, and it seems like a really nice cream. I actually do feel like a little bit goes a long way. Like I'm just tapping my finger in and taking that much, and it covers the whole area. So even though this is a small sample, I could probably get at least a few weeks use out of this. I'm really making sure to hydrate my chin because that's where I get so dry. Maybe from wearing masks? But definitely beautiful glow and hydration to my skin right now. So, I mean, I'm not one of those people that doesn't wear coverage and foundation on my face, but if you are one of those people and you just want to add some pretty glow and some hydration to your skin, this is a really nice product to do that for a no foundation type of look. But since I am the type that needs foundation, I am going to try applying my foundation on top of this just to really see how it is. So of course I'm going in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and this is the foundation I use when I review any primer, because gosh, does this foundation show how your skin is underneath, which can be a good thing or a bad thing depending on the primer. I actually feel like the foundation is sticking really well onto this face base. Like, I can't call it exactly a primer because it's not exactly the use for it, but it is a really good base. And so I feel like I'm gonna be able to get good coverage, or I am getting good coverage from this foundation because of how well it's sticking. Okay, so now that the foundation is applied, I love that you can still see some radiance, a little bit of glow to the skin, because my skin is still very hydrated. So it looks like such a healthy, natural glow to the face. And I'm looking really up close, especially at where I get dry. And there's absolutely no dryness. It looks so smooth and skin-like. So, not that I really expected it to smooth out my pores, but that's the thing, like, I still have the same texture on my pores, which I have large pores along my cheeks and my nose. That's where I especially see the texture, and they don't really look any smoother with this primer, but I didn't really expect it because it's not supposed to be a pore-filling primer. But the makeup itself just looks hydrated and smooth, and my skin feels super comfortable and hydrated. So I am very happy with this. I am definitely going to continue using this as a base primer and just kind of morning moisturizing type product, because I really want to try and prevent my skin from getting any more dry patches, just dryness in general as it gets colder and colder. And I think that this product will be great at maintaining the hydration in my skin and soothing my dry skin and just making my skin look great under foundation. And that's really what I'm looking for. So I had heard really good things about this face base, and I have to say it lives up to that hype. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments down below if you have tried it out. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.